How to make aerobic bokashi? You'll need 20 kilograms of carbonized rice hull, 20 kilograms of fresh rice hull, 10 kilograms of chicken manure, 18 to 20 liters of fresh water, 200 ml of molasses, and 200 ml of microorganisms. Let's get to it. Step 1. Mix the molasses and microorganisms into the water. Transfer the solution into a watering pail. Drench the solution while mixing the solid ingredients. Turn the mixture several times to ensure that the liquid has been incorporated into the solid materials. Once the mixture has been mixed thoroughly, check for the moisture content. Once you squeeze properly and it retains its shape, then you have the right moisture content. After giving it a final form, cover it with plastic and ferment it for 1 week. Another thing to do while we're waiting for 7 days, make sure to go back every day and then turn the mixture once a day every day for 7 days.